In this video, we take the 1.8 turbo Cruze to the 8th mile track, and we find out what the next weakest link is. Stay tuned to see what it is. Well, ladies and gentlefolk, I am heading to the 8th mile track here in Houston called Houston Motorsports Parkway, and we'll see what the car does in the 8th with my current street tune. So let's go. I'm at the track, already meeting some cool people. This guy in the Supra here wants to race me. I think they're filming it. I'm gonna try and record as much as I can. Obviously I won't be able to use his handheld, but I got this little guy over here recording, so hopefully we get something decent. And a win, I don't know. If nothing else, we'll get some good data, 60-foot time, all that other jazz. It's an 8-mile track, so let's see if we can't set a world record here for Cruze 8 miles. Give me 1 second. Sorry. It broke. Tried. Go forward. All right. Not an axle. It's a good old transmission there. Engine still runs. She's bleeding. So something inside the transmission grenaded. I'll have to pull the transmission and see what it is. I've been trying to go to tracks for a while now, which is the reason for the delay on any videos. Houston Raceway Park shut down. I was trying to make it out there to race closing night. It was too jam-packed. Lots of cool cars though that I did get to see race. The line out tonight is nuts for the, I guess, what is the last night here, so been sitting here for a while. That doesn't tell you something. However, I have found a transmission at the junkyard, which I'm going to go ahead and pull. But part of me is thinking that I may just design my own custom set of dog gears for the car. So I'm not a fan of taking the transmission out of the car and putting it back in. Let me know what you think down in the comments. We ended up getting the car all situated as far as clearing up the spark misfire, but I was still running into a 22.5 pound boost limiter where I'll run the car and it will just cut out, and I'll show you a log here. So I'm battling the stock ECU and the weakness of the transmission. So for now, that's about the only update I have. Just been trying to get the car out to the track, and when I did, I really just don't have a whole lot to show for aside from a broken car and more stuff that I got to solve. And I'll be sure to take you guys along for the journey. Be sure to let me know your comments and thoughts down in the chat. What standalone should I go with? Am I overshooting it, overthinking it with the dog box gears? I don't think so. I think we can make the M32 Trans live, but I think it's going to be a common problem. And like I said, I'd rather put the time and research into developing some dog gears for it. Let me know down in the comments. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And peace out. Peace out.